Not very clear. Can't see that ball. They're both the same way. Want to hold it?
Sure. These old socks. Hot out.
Yes, it is.
It's supposed to dry really quick.
I see a difference already.
Yeah, it looks clear.
Fucking thing cleared it up.
But
Don't worry.
when I sprayed it, cleared
Won't
up
hurt it.
too. It's just how long does it stay clear?
This is the best part. Dry. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
God damn. Son of a bitch is like new again.
It looks awfully good, man. Wow, that did a good job.
Damn, brother, your shit works. That's beautiful. It's crystal clear.
Mm-hmm.
So it lasts about how long?
It's one coat. It's still yellow, actually. Can't even hardly tell. We gotta do this right. This should last a year. I really think. It's crazy good though.
But you said you know somebody you've done it to that it's lasted 6 months now?
Yeah, Toyota RAV4. It's very similar to these lights, big and bulbous. But I think it needs at least 2 coats. After all that I've done, this is like 103, 104 right here.
Mm-hmm.
Bulbs. More polishing would be better. If you actually let it dry for another 10 minutes or so and then come out and rub it again, you'll get all the last of what's left on here. That's almost clear. Look at that.
Yeah, that's a major improvement. You can look at the two of them.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, look at that one, look at that one.
Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera or not, but it's definitely,
Looks like it's full of piss.
this one, you know, when you get over here, you definitely see that it's not as clear as the driver's side.
Here's a good
Just do a spot on there. So you can see the difference.
Yeah, the key is how long does it last. If it lasts a year, you get yourself a, you know, moneymaker.
Tell anybody what you put in that.
I haven't yet. People want me to.
Plus, most of these things aren't a cream, are they?
No, and they're the real problem with this is that people are saying I got a kit, and you sand, and that's the first problem because you shouldn't be
you were
sanding.
telling me if you sand it and you take off the.
It'll take off the exterior film that they absolutely majorly engineered. You know, I mean, you don't want to be doing that. there. That's half of that one and half of that one. You can see the difference there if you go up to it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see that it's already a lot clearer on that one.
Finish the job.
You're looking at getting like a patent on this, aren't you?
I'm looking at a provisional patent for the blend. And to order some stuff from in the country, some stuff from out of the country, and my buddy's like, be careful about, there's a lot of competition out there. There's a lot of people gonna want that.
Mm-hmm.
So every day I'm like, oh man, let's start a business. Somebody wants to start a business. I don't blame them.
No.
Everybody's looking for a new niche,
Yeah, exactly.
So for reals, I do have ones. This is like 102 or 3 or something, and I got some that are lasting several months. And, it just devastates that yellow.
I always thought that the yellowing was, for some reason, I was thinking the yellowing was happening on the inside. I didn't realize it was on the outside.
This,
No.
I
I think most of it's on the
this
outside.
kid I know that owns a PT Cruiser, and he's pretty nice guy, but sometimes people profess too much,
Mm-hmm.
don't really know what they're talking about,
Sure.
so you just sort of let them go on. But he went on and on about the problem is so much inside and you'll never get it out, and I'm just going to buy new ones. And I said, all right, come here and let me show you something. And excuse me. He's like, wow, well, okay, I guess that looks pretty good, I guess. Okay, yeah, I guess. But, everybody's got their
Pretty good. Come on,
opinion
look how clear that is over there.
until they, yeah, some people
Pretty
just
good. What they
won't
want?
admit it.
Yeah.
So that's okay.
What are they expecting?
I know, I can't make them new. I'm just restoring them to clear. I could do this with Mercedes lights. That's savings of like $400 and something at least.
Oh, yeah.
At the very least. So I'm dripping sweat here.
Well, it's warm out here.
So, did I say it would clear it up or what?
Yeah, you definitely cleared them up. Definitely.
It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Hey, you got new lenses.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Where do you shut this thing off at? Oh, that was good. We got it.
Okay, thanks you guys.